It all started last week when Samaritan Health Services asked Oregon State University if there was anything the university could do to help. At that point, scientists from the Carlson College of Veterinary Medicine realized their lab had everything to make a fluid needed to transport patient samples to testing facilities, and so they got to work. The testing for COVID-19 involves sticking a specialized swab deep into the nose. To get those swabs to a testing facility, medical providers must store them in tubes filled with viral transport medium, or VTM. How does VTM work? Justin Sanders, a researcher with Oregon State, explains.
This is a preservative that's needed to maintain the integrity of the samples so they can be sent out for testing.
That is, the critical COVID-19 test component, the OSU Veterinary Diagnostic Lab, is now able to produce for Oregon hospitals.
We're part of the National Laboratory Network that looks at important agricultural diseases, things like avian influenza, things that happen on a very large scale. And so we have to have that capacity to produce samples, process samples, and test them in a very rapid manner.
Sanders coordinated with virologist Wendy Black and made 3 liters of the fluid, enough for 1,000 tests.
That's really what we do in veterinary medicine. We're right there at the interface between animals and people. Our lives are so linked tightly that this is a very natural kind of thing to happen.
The 3 liters of the fluid were delivered to Samaritan Health Services in Corvallis last week, and Sanders tells us they received many more requests from Oregon clinics and hospitals to produce more of the fluid. Christelle Kumwe, KGW News.